Of course, you guys are probably at home bored too, and I'm trying my best not to spend money, but with this quarantine, it is so hard not to spend money. So you can still keep it cute and not break the bank, okay? So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you some of the new shoes that I got and how I paired them. 217 Naturals coming to you with the video. If you're new to this channel, I need you to hit that subscribe button. And if you're already a member, VIP member, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the new video content that I've tried to put out every Sunday. And I want to show you, because I haven't opened them yet, exactly what to expect. Yes, I got my hair rebraided. So I'm kind of feeling myself today. Okay, so let's get to unpacking. Public Desire. This is a box they came in. And I know I spent a total of $118, and I got 3 pairs of sandals. I think they're all sandals. Okay, so let's see. I don't know, y'all. These are looking kind of, these are definitely a dupe of some designer sandals. And I thought these were so cute. And then it's got this little cover over them. Will make it look like it's designer even if it's not. Yeah, let's see exactly how they fit. That's going to be the thing, like, you know. I got the smaller heel. I've seen some with the higher heel, but I just thought these would look so adorable. You can kind of dress these up with some, you know, with a blazer and some shorts and the little chain design, link chain design. And this side is open. So let's see how they look, y'all. I'm excited for these. I'm gonna be so sad, y'all. I'm gonna be sad if these don't look right. Okay, so I decided to pair these black Bottega Veneta dupes. Well, I call them a dupes. They look a lot like them. With these crop, they're like a mauve beige pant that I got from Target. I wish this crop top was a little bit longer, but I know you guys have been seeing this all over. It's the basically the oversized blazer with the crop top, and I thought it would look really cute with these dupes. I would definitely give these like a 9. They're really comfortable for the price. Dead on for sure. And I'm going to show you a closer look. And these are the shoes. So this side is the open, and then the outside is covered. It's got like a little plastic piece in there. I guess it's to help keep your foot from sliding. But I love this chain detail strap. I normally wear a size 9, 8.5 sometimes, depending on how much weight I'm gained, or you know, my feet are a little swollen. But those actually were a size 7 and they fit perfect. So yeah, those were Odyssey black. So let's get on to the next shoe. So sidebar, I guess they do have returns. I need to check out their returns on, they sent a return label with the items. And so I'm not quite sure how they handle returns, or if it's like just exchange only. But I just want to let you guys know that you can exchange. I'm sure you can exchange. I'm not sure about the refund, but you'll have to check it out. But the description of this company will be in the box below. Okay, so the next pair is the Harlow. They're a nude clear upper is what it's called. Let's see. They're also in a size 7. These are super cute. Square-toed. I love the square-toed. Little slide. I'm not even sure what the inch is, but it's really short. So let's hope this fits too. And guess what? They fit. Y'all, oh when I tell you my heels are so busty, I might not just put a little lotion or something on just so before I can't show. Y'all, I can't show y'all close up. I'm sorry. My feet are too busty. Okay, so I'm gonna get as close as I can. Y'all don't judge my heels. Oh gosh, I'm so ashamed just for showing y'all this. I'm so ashamed. So this is the front. No nail polish, but once I get my feet done, hunty, these gonna be on and popping. Let me know what you guys think. They seem to be pretty comfortable for a slide. Yeah, so I would give this shoe, for the price, I would give it a 9. Comfort wise, I would probably give it a 7. 7, or I would say a 7. Good, comfortable shoe. If you're looking for a clear slide, this would be a good dupe. And I like those shoes, guys. I can't wait to dress them with something. I'm not sure what, but yeah, I'll put a description in the link below. These little studs that come with them. Not sure what it's for. Looks like some type of screw of some sort. But they also come in a little bag. They're square-toed. And so let's try these on. Okay, so like I said, don't judge the feet. They are a little crusty, dusty. But yeah, I like these. These are super cute. I love the little chain that kind of hangs off the side. Really, really cute shoe. And I would give this about the same, 7, 8 in comfort, and 9 for the price. I mean, if you wear like expensive shoes, of course, I know you'll be able to tell that they're not maybe the real deal, but if you ain't staring, if you staring that hard, then you staring too hard for me. So yeah, I like these though. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about these. So I decided to pair these slides. Let me come a little closer. Love the little chain detail on them. With the pair, I just decided to pair it with some distressed shorts. I do like this outfit. I think it's really comfortable with these shoes. For some reason, they give me a more comfortable vibe than a dress-up vibe, but I don't know. I love the little chain detail on them. Let me get a little closer. Yeah, I love the chain detail on these. Love the square toes. You know, those are in right now. And yeah.